poppin'? It's Ace Got In. I'm back with another banger. And today we are doing cooking with Ace, and we are cooking the salmon and shrimp dinner. So stay tuned. It's finna get crazy and it's finna taste good. And also subscribe, turn that post notification bell on, follow all my social medias. Link gonna be in the description below. And let's get it.
Where I finally teach you how to do.
So now we're really in the kitchen. I finally brought y'all to the preparation course, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know how y'all do y'all food or how y'all prepare y'all food, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do mine. So first we're gonna start off with the cheesy potatoes, the scallops, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get this. I got to have a cup of milk right here. Slide it up in here. Yeah. Spread it evenly. Guess that's a little seasoning. So. And make sure your hand.
So first, we're gonna start with the lemon pepper. Make sure it's the pack. Start with the lemon pepper. I don't know about y'all, but I like my fish seasoned with olive oil on both sides. But you gotta be careful though. God is ripping. Careful with the little fish. You know, you gotta keep the tongue on that. I just not gonna be. I don't just go kind of crazy. Don't put it on one side though, because it is different spice. And then, we're gonna leave that for right now because we got some more to add on that, but we're just gonna leave it right there for right now. You know, put these up. And then, I don't know about y'all, but I season my shrimp. You know what I'm saying? I season my shrimp. Yeah, I throw in the all-purpose seasoning. Then, of course, the salt and pepper. The lemon pepper. Not too much though. Garlic salt. And then you gotta slap the tongues on there. Boom. Then we gonna mix this piece up. Oh shit. Good thing I clean my counters before I even started cooking. Start to smell good. Boom, I'll do like that. You know what I'm saying? After we got that out of the way, I'm actually cut these lemons up. Then squeeze some on the salmon. Don't season them. Put that in the shrimp too. And then I'm about to take y'all over here to where I saute my shrimp and I get these. What is it called again? Hey, I'm gonna let y'all know what it's called. I'm gonna put it down. The asparagus. So we're gonna get these asparagus going and everything, you know what I'm saying? And let's get this rolling. You dig?
Alright, to start off, we finna start off by actually sauteing these onions and garlic to put it on our salmon. Alright, so we gonna start off by sauteing the garlic and the onion for the salmon. So it's one garlic and one onion. don't want the onion to be too sauteed because I still want to give off that herb when it gets put on the salmon when I close it up and the aluminum foil. So, first, I'm gonna start off with the asparagus. I'm gonna throw them in there, even though the bottom is, you know what I'm saying? My eye doesn't know if it wants to be extra heat or over heat. It doesn't take too long for these to cook. Taking those potatoes, they're almost finished, you know what I'm saying? This for the asparagus. And also, while the potatoes are still cooking, I'm gonna throw the salmon in while the shrimp is cooking. So we gonna let it do our thing. I don't never really time nothing cause you feel me, that chef thing, you know when it's right, it's right. When it's right, it's right. Now I'm gonna get back with y'all when I got the finishing touches, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's gonna be dope. You dig? It's gonna be dope. Hey, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Cause when I tell y'all it's finna be dope, it's gonna be dope and it's gonna taste so good. Yes, sir. I almost forgot to record, but this is some peak salmon, shrimp, asparagus, and some potatoes, some cheesy potatoes, you know what I'm saying? And it's actually good. I was in the middle of eating it, but you know what I'm saying? I was in the middle of eating it. But that concludes today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social medias and turn that post notification bell on. You know what I'm saying? Until next time, stay tuned and watch my old videos. That part.